Specification of microwave oven. Microwave oven comes in different size, capacity and power levels. First we will see size and capacity. Microwave oven comes in different size ranging from compact model that can fit on a countertop to larger model that are designed to be built into a kitchen cabinet. The capacity of microwave oven is measured in cubic feet or liters. The capacity typically ranges from 0.5 to 2 cubic feet or 14 to 57 liters. According to size and capacity of microwave oven, there are three types of microwave oven. First one is countertop microwave oven. Countertop microwave oven gives you extra flexibility since it can be placed nearly anywhere in your kitchen. Capacity of this microwave oven is around 1.5 to 2 cubic feet. Second one is low profile microwave oven. A low profile microwave oven offers streamlined design to give you more space above your cooking surface without compromising space inside for the items you normally place in a microwave. Capacity of low profile microwave oven is around 1.1 cubic feet. Third one is built-in microwave oven. Built-in microwave ovens are installed directly into pre-existing upper or lower cabinetry. Capacity can ranges from 1.0 to 2.2 cubic feet. Then power of microwave oven. Power of microwave oven is measured in watts or determines how quickly the oven can cook food. The power of output of a microwave oven is typically ranges from 600 to 1200 watts. Higher wattage ovens can cook food faster and more evenly. If we see the temperature of microwave oven, it is depend on how much the power of microwave oven. In general, household microwave oven have power of about 700 watts. This result in a maximum temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. Then frequency. Microwave ovens at a home operate at a frequency of about 2.45 GHz. Then cooking modes. Most microwave ovens comes with different cooking modes such as defrost, reheat, cook, and grill. Some models may also include convection cooking, which uses fan to circulate hot air inside the oven and allows for baking and roasting. Then control panel. Control panel of a microwave oven can be either mechanical or electronic. This is control panel. Mechanical control panel uses knobs or dials to set time and power levels. This is electronic control panel. Electronic control panel uses touchpad and digital displays. Then turntable. A turntable is a rotating plate inside the cooking chamber that helps to ensure even cooking.